What's up, Sun Rays? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today I'm bringing you a quick review on the Curl Origin Honey and Hibiscus Mousse and Gel combo. You guys know that I did this combo recently. I'll link it here if you haven't seen it. Fell in love with the combo. Hair looked really good. I wanted to revisit it, but I wanted to use it with a leave-in to see how it worked with the leave-in and see if I got any different results. Okay, so the leave-in that I used was the leave-in from this line. It is the Honey and Hibiscus leave-in whipped cream. So it is a, it says whipped cream, but it's more like a it's a leave-in consistency, but the color, I guess I should have showed you, it comes out more like reminiscent of I'm wasting it now, reminiscent of the Camille Rose coconut water leave-in, or but not as thick, or the As I Am leave-in, but a little bit thicker and a little bit more moisturizing, or even the Kinky Curly. It's that it has that look to it, if you know what I'm saying. So anyway, yeah, so that's what I used. So I wanted to come on and let y'all know whether I would, how it worked with a leave-in, because a lot of you say that you don't like putting product on your hair without using a leave-in first. Okay, so here's my review. This is my hair. This is third day hair. It is quite frizzy. It still has some definition, but it's quite frizzy. But I did stretch it today. I didn't need to. Before I stretched it, it had a lot more definition, but it was very shrunken, so I stretched it out, and I probably stretched it a little too much. Okay, with that being said, I didn't have to add any more moisture to it or anything like that. My hair felt very moisturized with the leave-in. All right, so for me, I feel like you can do either or. I feel like you're still going to get a good wash and go if you use a leave-in, or if you don't, you're going to get a little bit more hold, because this is already a soft hold. These together are going to give you definition, a little bit of a cast, but still very soft hair compared to a hard hold gel. So I want to let you know that, but you will get definition and you will get a cast. Go look at that other video. Okay, so when you add the leave-in, it's going to be even softer. All right, so I want to let you know that I do feel like my hair was softer when using this, and I felt like I had a little bit more frizz when using this, and I think it's just because it's moisturizing and it just softened up the already soft hold from this. But like I said, I still had really good definition. My hair looked very similar to the first video, just a little bit more frizz to it, but it still was very defined. It still had a nice sheen to it and things of that sort. Okay, so day one, I stretched it with heat, didn't find any flurries, any dusting, anything. Day two, I left it up in my scarf for the most part because I didn't really go anywhere. And then I took it out today, and like I said, it was shrunken, very defined, still looked good, still felt moisturized. I just stretched it with heat, and when I got done stretching it with heat, I did see a little bit of dusting on my black shirt, just a little bit. And I only saw it because I looked down, and yeah, so you don't see it much in the air because it's that tiny, but I definitely see something landing on my shirt. Okay, so I will say when I use the leave-in, I'm getting a little bit of dusting on day three. I didn't get that last time. So for me, I would leave out the leave-in because I felt like my hair was moisturized enough with just these two. But guys, remember, I usually wash on 4 5th day hair. I normally don't go 7 days or 10 days. If you're trying to go that long, you may need to remoisturize or something like that. So if that's the case, you may want to go ahead and try it with the leave-in, especially if you don't mind a little bit of dusting that's not showing up a lot, but it is there, okay? You won't see it if you have on white or anything like that, but I have on black so I can see it. So yeah, just wanted to let you know that. Guys, I feel like both combos, the first one and this one with the leave-in, is a good combo. I feel like it just depends on what you need for your hair, the climate you live in, and things like that. It's kind of getting warm here. It's getting a little humid here. So for me, my hair is a little bit frizzier and bigger after using the leave-in. Someone who may not be, you know, in a humid climate, you know, it may not affect you at all. I will put the ingredients on the screen here to the leave-in. I don't think it has any glycerin in it, but it does have some honey in it, and it also has, I believe, some marshmallow root or something like that. So it does have some things that attract moisture. And then in my previous video, I already put the ingredients on the screen, but this gel does have glycerin within, I think, the first 5 ingredients. I believe it's the 3rd ingredient, if I'm not mistaken. And then this one, the mousse, has glycerin too, but it's low down on the list. So when you put all three of these together, you are going to get soft hair, and you are going to get ingredients that attract moisture to the hair. So be aware of that. But guys, that's it. I'm not going to belabor it. My hair is going to get me through today and tomorrow, and then I'm going to wash it tomorrow when I get back in, or either, you know, 5th day. So it's okay for me. Just looks like healthy hair, big hair. And technically, if I wanted to, I could add more mousse to it to get rid of this frizz, get it to redefine. So don't forget about that, because you are using a mousse gel combo. If you feel like your hair is getting a little bit frizzy, you want to redefine certain pieces, you can definitely go back in with the mousse and redefine those pieces and kind of refresh your hair. So I want to let you know that as well. All right, guys, that's it. Let me know what you think about this video. Let me know what you think about this combo. Have you used it? Leave your experiences down below so we all can learn from you. And give this video a thumbs up. Share it with someone you think it may help. And guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.